Hello, what's up, people? Welcome to it. So, today I'm finally starting my own YouTube channel, and yes, this video is going to be a short introduction video about it and about me. Yes, guys, my name is Renu, and I'm going to post videos on lifestyle, fashion, and fitness or product reviews, travel vlogs, and whatnot. Yes, I'm so excited for it, and I have been thinking so hard on starting my own YouTube channel, and today I'm finally executing it. I'm so happy. I'm so nervous at the same time, but I would really appreciate if you people will suggest me, because I understand I'm just a beginner, and I really want your feedbacks below in the comment section, that what are the things that I have to add, what are the things that I have to remove, and I would really appreciate that. Yes, and I really look forward to seeing more of everyone in this journey. And till then, stay healthy, stay happy, and don't forget to spread magic. Magic or love.